Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Otto, and in today's video I will summarize WordPress for you all in less than 3 minutes. So what is WordPress? WordPress is a simple tool for creating websites even if you don't have any programming or technical skills, and you can create basically any type of website on WordPress. To get started on WordPress, you need to buy a domain name. You also have to buy a WordPress hosting. I attached a link below where you can buy WordPress hosting from Bluehost at a huge discount. You can head over to the description and click on the link there to get a good WordPress hosting from Bluehost. And so with a WordPress hosting, WordPress is automatically installed for you by Bluehost or any hosting company you choose. So if for some reason is not installed automatically, you can ask your hosting company to install it for you immediately. And once your hosting company is done installing the WordPress on your site, head over to your website and log in using the information they gave to you. They will give you login details to enter your website dashboard, and when you come to the dashboard of your website, it will look like this. So the first thing you need to do is to install plugins. Just click on plugins and add new. It will show you a page like this. And what are plugins? Plugins are actually let's call them apps that run on your website, apps that you can install on your website, and they have different functionalities. They can help you perform some certain tasks. Like this is a plugin, and this is a plugin that helps with SEO. So there are thousands of plugins on the WordPress dashboard to install. So basically, it's very important to install important plugins because they help your website run very well. And we'll move over to adding posts and pages. You might want to add a new page on your website. Just head over to this button here that says new and click on new page. So pages, you want to add let's say like about us page, or let's say like any type of page you want to add on your website. You can use this page, this new here and page to get it done. For page, just type in the title here and here, then enter the content of your page, and that's the simple way to add a new page to your WordPress site. And when you are done, click on publish to get it published. The next thing to do is, if you want to publish an article or a post, you can also click on new and post, then add in the title of your article and then the content of your article. Using this button here, this add block, you can add images, you can add buttons, you can add lists, headings, paragraph to the content section of your new post. So when you are done with it, you can simply click on publish. If you look at this place, you will see Yoast SEO Premium. I got the Yoast plugin and it's helping me with my SEO. So the plugins you have will help you with some functionalities on your website, and that's how to publish an article. So guys, from the WordPress dashboard, you can go over each and every of this menu and see what they're all about. Guys, there you have it. This is what WordPress is basically all about. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, kindly leave a like and share the videos with your friends. And also, if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section and I will attend to you. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video.